Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then you have to enter system section, then go to the about phone. Here you have to find an outline build number and then tap it on it with your finger several times until you get the message. You are now a developer. And now you can find your developer options here in the system settings. Here they are, all of our very useful and very interesting developer options. Grant access to them and get to know with them by yourself. So you can actually disable them here too, and after that they will disappear from your settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.